Zelle, one phone number, two accounts? Let's untangle this. Ever split the bill with friends and wished there was a faster way to send your share? Maybe you're a freelancer waiting on payments, or a parent sending your kid some extra cash. If you've answered yes to any of these, then Zelle has probably crossed your mind. It's a popular money transfer service offered by many banks, allowing quick and easy transfers between people you know and trust. But what if you're someone who hustles? Maybe you freelance with one platform and have a side hustle on another. Ideally, you'd want to keep those finances separate. This is where the question sparks. Can you use the same phone number for two Zelle accounts? Let's dive in and explore the nitty-gritty of Zelle and phone numbers. Why does phone number matter with Zelle? Think of your phone number as your unique identifier for Zelle. It's how recipients find you and send you money. Imagine it like your Zelle username. It simplifies things and makes transfers smooth. But here's the catch. Zelle doesn't allow duplicate phone numbers. This makes sense. If you could link the same number to multiple accounts, things could get messy. Imagine accidentally sending money to the wrong account because you forgot which number was linked to which profile. So, you can't have two Zelle accounts with one phone number? Not exactly. Here's the good news. While you can't have duplicates, there are ways to manage multiple accounts with a single phone number. Option 1. Leverage the power of email. Remember how we mentioned Zelle usernames? Well, technically, they don't have usernames, but they do offer something similar, email addresses. This is your golden ticket to managing multiple accounts. You can link a different email address to each Zelle account, even if the phone number stays the same. Here's how it works. When someone wants to send you money, they'll enter either your phone number or email address associated with your Zelle account. This flexibility allows you to have separate accounts for your freelance work and personal finances, all while keeping the same phone number. Option 2. Talk to your bank. They might have a surprise. While Zelle itself restricts duplicate phone numbers, some banks might offer workarounds. It's worth reaching out to your bank's customer service and inquiring about their policies on Zelle and multiple accounts. There's a chance they might have a solution specific to their platform, allowing you to manage separate accounts under the same phone number with some additional verification steps. Remember, double-check before you send. No matter which method you choose, always double-check the recipient's information before hitting send. A typo in the email or phone number could lead to your money going astray. Here are some bonus tips to keep your Zelle transactions safe. Only send money to people you know and trust. Never share your Zelle verification codes with anyone. Be wary of unsolicited requests for money transfers. If something seems suspicious, report it to your bank immediately. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and happy Zelle.